I'll link.
Look at my phone case. Look at my phone case. I don't know if you can see.
And look at my phone case.
Yeah, look at hers. What the bleep?
8-inch big whoop.
That's the pipe. Right around it. I can see why all these basic hoes pick.
Give me water to share.
Bust down, bitch, let her bust down, bitch.
Turn around. Look
Wait,
at
do it
what
again.
you see.
Okay. Inches.
With right
1
around
inch.
it.
Who's who?
I want to hear it.
Okay.
Okay, again.
I want to hear it.
Not right now.
I want to hear it.
Not right now.
Yes, now, Dusty Bun.
Reach the stars, lie a fantasy.
That's not what I deserve.
Oh! Ew! Dude!
More. You're walking home.
Happy?
Yeah.
You happy now?
I love you. What's up, you guys? Hi, welcome back to my channel. These two old Asian women just like straight up like looked at me and rolled their eyes because I'm vlogging. But anyways, hi guys, what's up? So I just got to downtown LA because I have a very exciting event today. Urban Decay is hosting, or like they have an event, and LIZZO that took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch, is gonna be at the event. So I'm so excited, and I asked my friend Alyssa to be my +1 tonight. Also, I tried a new hairstyle today. I like it. I bought a crimper, or like a crimp to crimp my hair, and it took me a while to get used to it, but your girl got it. So how do we feel? Do we like it? Okay guys, I'm here with Alyssa now. She's my +1, my date for tonight, and literally it was so stressful getting here.
I know.
We had to like drive around the block probably like 5 times.
LA traffic is crazy.
Yeah, but we are here. I still don't understand why there's a line when this is like an event. I don't know if they're like...
It feels like a meet and greet.
Yeah. Well, I mean, LIZZO is gonna be here tonight. So.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be fun. Thank you for inviting me, by the way.
Okay, give us an OOTD.
This leopard dress and then these old sandals. I don't know where they're from. But this is like, from where? Princess Polly.
Princess Polly. Top is from SHEIN. This is from... Oh, this is thrifted, but it's by the brand
BCG? You always get the best thrifted things, yeah.
SHEIN, and then Princess Polly. Thank you. Hi.
It's a gift card for a customized shade at the Shade Bar.
Okay, awesome.
So I'm getting my shade match. I'm definitely gonna get copyrighted. I'm actually wearing the foundation right now, but I forgot what shade.
be great. I take a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. It's okay, he already in my dreams. I'm getting great, so they gotta be great. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth first, and it's nothing more exciting. Bum, 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 bum,
I want to hear everybody help. I know you got your phones, you're getting this moment. It's great, it's great. But be a part of this moment. Say, Yari-yari.
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 Say, Yari-yari.
Yari-yari.
Say,
Baby, all my juice, baby, baby, all my juice. Okay guys, so I just got this PR package from CoverGirl and ooh, it says rotate to dial to unlock your True Blend combination. These are the True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder, and they sent two, one in translucent and then one in banana shade. Awesome. True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow Mono Highlighter. Ooh, these are exciting. Okay, this is probably gonna be my shade because I like my highlighters to be gold instead of like peachy or pink. Oh my god, wait, there's more. Oh my god. Ooh, and then this is the shade. I'm looking at the foundation and it looks a little too dark for my skin, and it's not their fault, it's probably mine because we had to pick our foundation shade online. And I don't think this is my shade. Like, I don't think I was quite spot on with my shade. But these are their new concealers right here. And I think the concealers are more like my color. And then we have the True Blend Base Business, which is a skin primer. And we have a mattifying primer. We have the Easy Breezy Brow Volumizing Brow Gel and Clear Setting Gel. Oh my god, I actually needed these. Oh my god, there's more. This is like Christmas, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited. So yeah, thank you so much, CoverGirl, for sending this. Hopefully this one is my shade. Like, hopefully I can fix it with like a lighter foundation I have. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. Next one we have is not from Brandy Melville, but the bag is very similar to Urban Decay. But I went to an event last night with Urban Decay, and these are the stuff in the goodie bag. So we have the All Nighter Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray ever. It literally locks down your makeup. And then we have the foundation, which is the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. And you guys, this is becoming my favorite foundation because I swear by the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. That's like one of my favorite foundations, but I feel like this is like topping it because this one literally feels like my skin. It's honestly so good. Like, I'm not getting paid to say any of these. You'll hear me rave more about it in my August favorites video. They sent 3 lipsticks. I also already have these, so I will probably put these in a giveaway. Hint, hint. Thank you so much to Urban Decay for inviting me. Honestly, it was so much fun. I saw LIZZO up close and personal. I was so close. We waited a while though, but it was just like worth it. It was so much fun. And yeah, thank you so much, Urban Decay, for inviting me. Look how cute this PR package is. It's from Clairol. I think that's how you pronounce it. So thank you so much, Clairol, for sending this PR. It's basically a root touch-up, which honestly I really need. Glad there's like multiple colors here. I'm pretty sure this is like my shade here. But everything else I can't use because that's too light for me and then too dark. So this is probably like my color in between. And then it also came with like a little kit, which is awesome.
Guys, let me tell you a story. So that penthouse suite, that's where Chrissy and John, Legend, and Luna were for Chrissy's Key Australia launch party. And I was like, I could have breathed the same air as them, but no.